can do it with a sniffly nose. It's fine. Yeah, I was like, gotta pick some good ones for, good ones according to you. Things you have said you like. I'm just hoping I got it right. Let me know though.
Taylor Swift admitted she had a sniffly nose during her Liverpool gig on Thursday before introducing the surprise song of the night. The pop icon has been struggling to adjust to the cold weather of the UK as she kicked off that leg of her Eras tour with 3 sold-out shows in Scotland last week. The Pennsylvania-born star wiped her nose with a tissue and smiled, reassuring the audience. "We'll be fine. I can do it with a sniffly nose. It's fine." The Bad Blood hitmaker then took to the piano where she stunned fans with a surprising medley of Cornelia Street and Maroon. Fans rushed to comment the clip on TikTok showing the singer, "I can do it with a sniffly nose, it's fine. Say with me, I can do with a sniffly nose. I can't believe I haven't seen 5,000 tweets about I can do it with a sniffly nose. She totally saw people told her to get a tissue," wrote another user, referring to when Taylor was spotted blowing her nose into her fingers several times before wiping her fingers on her sparkly outfit during the Edinburgh gig. As part of the first leg of her UK tour, the singer performed 3 shows at the Murrayfield Stadium last weekend where more than 219,000 fans watched. Though summer is just over a week away, the cool air in the stadium likely wasn't helping the singer's case after temperatures dropped below 8 degrees Celsius on the night of the show.